Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what is the orbital anatomy? Now, in the orbital anatomy, what is orbit made up of? The right. So, this is the orbit picture. So, what does the medial wall of orbit consists of? So, medial wall of the orbit. So, this is the medial wall of the orbit, which is formed by this is the maxillary bone. So, this is the frontal process of maxilla. This is the frontal bone. So, even the part of the this is the lacrimal bone. Here you can see lacrimal bone is formed. Along with that, the ethmoidal bone, a part of the ethmoidal bone, it's not visible here, but actually a part of the ethmoidal bone will also form the medial wall. So medial wall is mainly formed by the frontal process of the maxilla, lacrimal bone, and here this is the ethmoid bone, sorry, frontal process of maxilla, lacrimal bone, and ethmoid bone. So frontal process of maxilla, this one, and lacrimal bone and ethmoid bones are formed. This is lacrimal bone, this is the ethmoid bone. These will form the medial wall of the orbit.
thank you and thank you for watching.